Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your subtitle language on the Far Cry Primal game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry Primal game on your device, and once you are taken into the game, if you wish to change the language that your subtitle is displayed in, then from the main menu you can directly go into options or pause the game and go into options as well. From here you can click on interface, and now you will see the subtitle setting at the very beginning. You can cycle through the various different languages that are available, and you also have the option to disable subtitles by setting it to off. After choosing your desired language, just press the escape button and your settings will be saved. You can now continue to play your game with your chosen subtitle language right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your subtitle language on the Far Cry Primal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.